quite enough for us. Got some of crab and prawn. See the lobster right here. It wasn't so much we got it whatever we can. So we're happy that we got this much. And like next day we're planning to go. This is the first fish that we catch today. At least they call it catfish.
This is the catfish, right? Whoa. Ortil hail. Hey, mau nung mandai ti.
Moro hai mana kabrit. Moro.
Kami lagi terangan nomor ha.
Oh, lagi itu kain.
Mau beli itu.
Oh, now we are thinking to catch fish by blocking the water in here and search around this place. You can see here in here. You can just walk on. Because we stop the water and we are going to throw the water on the other side and catch the fish. So we've stopped here. So until the water gets filled up, we're going to catch fish around this stream. So let's see what do we get. Hopefully we're going to get some fish. As the water comes, this will be filled up. So our friends are busy catching fish. Show you where the water exactly comes. It is safe, you can come. It's okay. It's safe. Yes. You can see out there. They've also blocked the water in that place. After we finish this portion, after we finish this side, we're going to come this place. So we're going to take step by step. Let's see what do we get exactly.
Mo, him ni to.
Oh, ngaman ta giti uite le ngale ai.
Oh.
Amma mo.
Oh.
Marin ta kira.
Oh, himardina, thoni te cho. Oh. Ngalan man ta mga.
Oh, pa, kreng dak.
Oh, adikta. Oh, ngalan na.
Tun nakirang ganti.
Oh, bro, lambrek te.
Oh, di.
Wah, ठीक तक ना. Yo. Dam bro. Ya mo. Oh, yang itu cultural fishing aja nga. Mari di dengan tangan nirang. Jam mga orang tu leril themong jaki jiman manra amat kurang leril themen man kejo kata kam jegate.
Mantro jagurin pa ha.
Jagulin ba dah? Hu nak. Apa dah?
Laki no bro. Artin do itu itu mo ta ko na. Alam hanga man dito. Chol kiri chol. Arupta. Chol. Aha. Uite de tu ya con el game. Mante.
Ay, ¿cómo no? Kata. Kian marta. Kian marta.
Lam.
Kian marta itu. Jo.
Kata te kian jama tam.
Jo iban ini dia ada.
Gini sekarang tu, ini sekarang tu, ini. Tak kundang ni.
Dah lah hek demo. Ya. Irul ya.
Kucawan.
Mai mantro. Ya. Hai, cem tu.
Cem.
Terus.
Mantro luka.
Aku dapat di sana.
Ay, iman tayo, ihi.
Amen.
Timpong ko lang.
Yeah.
Ano chum mo?
Oh, ikaw ay lor panti. Alin pa na jok na.
Alam niya.
Tinam ha sung de. Oh, lam hi. Modal to mana ita. Mana?
Quite enough for us, and we got some of crab and prawn. It is very tasty if you're gonna make a chutney with a fragmented fish, along with some snail. You can see the lobster right here. So we're happy that we got this much. And like next day we're planning to go to one more village called Nupangrumba. So I heard that place is like a bit good place, cool place, and hopefully we'll get some more fish. So it's very good to be, a good experience. I feel good to be here among with my friends.
I call it bakat ko.
Yes. And he's the one. He's very good catching fishing. You can just see him. His name is Rajesh. And like he's one of the most active among us. And you can see the one. He's the one who catches the big fish. Without him, it won't be possible. So we're quite thankful for it. And you can see around here also. These are actually my friends and cousin brother. They're preparing food for us. They're busy making up all those smoke. And they're finished to cook. Now we're going to cook curry. So we're going to cook curry. So fish like that. So we're going to watch these things. We're going to show you how do we cook. Okay, fine.
Kan, here kan.
May sokter kante, kan sokter yaw kalapag hindi ang bet ka, missing ko kayo win natin. Sunti nga ingay le, ngangay le sang wiler mungin lang. Patin gin tunay ngin lang, lalaka patit ko kan so. So alat na pinakamaw ko na.
Oh, anong te hima nan traditional may thodan mo hima?
Oh, hima kan may thodan hima emergency may thodan asang so.
Ram sungai senong gede nanti kata nombo bumenrang mahal miti gitin kanata narkaidir thaichu.
Oh, ano te nani hima azakar ming mo thai nanti nan hong na?
Hima
naran sung Nelsi.
Nelsi. Oh, okay.
Big river la am
Jadi yang patin ko
ama jaw hima buan kan nek jaw kale na nirmu thaina mangkan.
Oh, okay. Oh, hima kom anong te hima bunan air na? Oh, okay. Anong te hima
hina min sai khat ka am hima producing ko kan.
Oh, okay.
Di muthai bisina mai jangin manang kiril kin mai hong sokta.
Oh,
Emergency hima lung and road nata
lung ni khama pau yat ni chang mak pau yo lo jat ni kan.
Wi da kha mane lung khama pau nung bras sang
Jangan,
mane
destroy jangan. Very danger.
Chai na sang te marin hima pau lo jat nge use kan hong toina punin rang bakuan na pu kan hong kan. By chance ni kar muthai proof.
Oh.
Setting as.
Oh, hema hi takta itu nung te hema pura nan traditional ay preparing foods in the jungle, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, fine.
Minta already map finish cook.
Okay. Nung te na.
Seperti awa alam hima bungar suksu ban bungar suk. Itu. So dang ata kholat la data dang nan hamur bum na.
We're going to cook with this banana. This one, leaf. It's very tasty.
Prol cuma buri.
Oh, pro sema jenata ngai meni manta
Ya, Ramata.
ramata ba thing ni thaina nang mom nang bo kan sungkarang na thai tem chang din tibal nama abarala ta khom rek ni thai mo jangan mo asung khum ngai
Chọc tay tự nhiên